good stuff. So coffee
Yes.
creamer is going to be amazing for you guys. I'm looking forward to it. That's going to be great. Last but not least is a meal replacement idea concept. You guys have asked about meal replacements. How do I want more protein, but I want to make a meal replacement. Well, our protein smoothies, our protein powder is not a meal replacement. It's low calorie, high protein content on purpose. You can spruce it up, and Lisa will coach you through some of those things. But we've decided we're going to rock and roll with a really cool concept around meal replacement. So, and you're going to love it. It's going to be a ready-made kind of a single-use thing. And I'm not going to tell you too much on that yet, but you could probably take a guess for those out there that know what's going
That's
on.
awesome.
And I heard you loud and clear. Hydrogen water is important. It is trending. It's not just that it's trendy. It is that it's effective. It's a potent antioxidant. We talk about the power of antioxidants all the time. Hydrogen tablets are on the way. There's a lot of unscrupulous suppliers out there for hydrogen, so be careful who you buy from. It is making it into the finished product. It is on Amazon, and it is junk. We need to be very careful with the hydrogen, how we source it, how we put it into a tablet, how we package it, how we sell it. So I can promise you that I'll make sure that you're getting the highest quality, most potent hydrogen tablets on the market. And I do think they are superior to the bottled hydrogen water creators, those the bottles that make hydrogen water now. I think the tablets are better, personal opinion. I think science supports that. And so that's kind of where we are, guys. I mean, tell me if that's not a mouthful, huh, Naughter? I mean, that was just a pile on.